Students, next we are going to know about first aid for minor burns. Okay, so burns may be caused from hot objects, right? Okay, so burns may be caused when we touching hot objects, hot water, and fire. If the burn is minor, okay, it is a simple burns, okay, can be treated at home. Okay, so immediately put the burnt area under running water. Okay, so like this, all of you see here in this picture. Okay, and soak in ice cold water. Okay, so put the burnt area under running water or soak in ice cold water. Okay, after when the burning sensation has subsided, when burning sensation has become less, okay, so gently apply an antiseptic cream. Okay, so immediately put the burnt area under cold running water, okay, till the pain becomes less. After apply an antiseptic lotion. Okay, and after, in case of severe burns, you should take the person to hospital immediately. So in case of minor burns, hold the burnt part under cool running water. Okay, this helps to cool the burn and reduce the pain. After, apply some antiseptic cream. Okay, do not burst blisters caused by burns. Okay, so remove any some ornaments present at the burnt part. Okay, so in case of severe burns, rush the person to a hospital. Okay, so these are the some first aid treatments. Okay, so that is given in case of minor burns. Okay, students, next we are going to know about first aid treatment for minor cuts. Okay, so in case of minor cuts, first wash the cut or wound. Okay, so with clean water, and after apply an antiseptic lotion over it. Okay, after, if needed, put a band-aid over the cut or wound. Okay, so first you should wash your hands with clean water. Okay, so if bleeding continues, okay, apply some pressure to stop bleeding. Okay, and after washing, put some antiseptic lotion over wound. Okay, after, if needed, put a band-aid over the cut or wound. So students, these are the first aid treatments given for in case of minor cuts. Okay, students, next we are going to know about first aid for insect bites or stings. Okay, first aid for insect bites and stings. So, an insect bite or sting may cause redness, okay, and itching, pain, and or swelling like this. Okay, so in case of insect bite or sting, first wash the affected area with soap and water. Okay, so after, you should rub ice on it and apply an antiseptic lotion. Okay, so if the insect stinger is visible, you should take the help of an elder to get it removed. Okay, to remove insect stinger. So these are the some first aid treatments in case of insect bites and stings. Okay, so students, in this class we have learnt about first aid and first aid for minor burns and first aid for minor cuts, first aid for insect bite or sting, right? If you have any doubts, questions, ask in online session. All of you should follow given worksheet. Thank you, students.